Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today, we are in the beautiful community of Chambers Creek. Now, this gated community is located in Willis, Texas. It is also an active adult living community. And if you don't know what that means, that just means that the buyer of the home has to be 55 years of age or better. Now, if it's multiple buyers of the home, both of them do not have to be the 55 or older, just as long as one is that age, then you're okay. Also, this community is on over 1,100 acres of land, and it is called Houston's Hill Country. This community has a abundance of amenities for their residents. Here are a couple of them. You have a nine hole golf course. You have 18-hole putting course. You have over 20 miles of trails. You have a private marina on Lake Conroe. And there's pickleball, plus many more things such as cafes and other things for you to do. Now, the other thing you need to know before you move into this community is that they do have certain rules because it is an active adult living community. One of those rules is that anyone that is under the age of 21 cannot stay for more than 90 days. Now, this home that we're currently viewing is built by Del Webb, which is a part of the Pulte brand. It is called the Compass. This Compass is a little over 1,400 square feet. You have a choice of making it a 2 or 3 bedroom, and it has 2 full bathrooms. The starting price on this home is going to be in the high $300,000 range. Now, make sure if you have not done so already, hit that like, subscribe, and that bell so you can be notified of new weekly videos of the Houston metropolitan community so you can see exactly what we have to offer you. And if you don't know who I am, my name is Linda Blue. I am your new home consultant, helping you create the ultimate blueprint for all of your real estate needs. So we're going to continue to enjoy this tour of this home, but make sure you do leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about this community, builder, or any other real estate questions that you may have. Enjoy the rest of the tour and have a blessed day.